Here, Daddy will give you some food. Here you go. Mmm. You like that? Mmm. Oh, what do you want? Would you rather have this? Huh? Nope.